Hey everybody, Terry with Creative Graphics Group here, and I'm just playing around with this new Central Pneumatic, aka Harbor Freight airbrush that I got. And for the most part, it looks like a great gun, but when I actually tried to use it, and by the way, I just have water in here to test with, I had a problem. The problem was that it just, it would put out air just fine, and this being a dual action, the more that you pull it back, the more liquid that should come out that's sprayed with the air. So pushing down pushes the air out just fine, but pushing down and pulling back just wasn't getting anything out. So here's what was going on. I checked, by the way, all the connections, the jar, and I checked the back end, make sure everything was tight and it was traveling properly. So when I pulled back, the needle pulls back too. All that was good. Now, I checked this first connection here and it was nice and snug. Checked the second connection, nice and snug. Even took it off to check out how the needle was traveling. When I did that, I noticed that there was a little bit of problem with the seal. There's a little seal, an O-ring that goes in here. And I fixed that and fixed the problem. So now, as I push down and pull back, then I can get some, hopefully you can see some of that. You can see a little bit of the water coming out. So now it's working just fine. And for 19 bucks, man, I think this is going to be a great little tool for all the things I need to do with it. So I'm about to spray some 2K onto some 3D printed parts that I have, and then I'm going to do some Duralumin. So wish me luck with all that. But this is really overall a great tool. You just got to know how to fix things, I guess. And hopefully this will help somebody. So take care.